Hey guys, it's Mike from matchagreenti.co, and today I'm answering the question, what is matcha tea? First I'm going to show you the finished product, and then we'll talk about how it actually got to be like this. So this is some nice fine ground matcha powdered tea, and matcha actually means powdered tea. So if you look in there, you can see that is the finished product. And you scoop that out, whisk it up with the bamboo whisk, and you enjoy the whole leaf. So let's talk about how the matcha actually got into this tin and why it's so beneficial. So matcha tea is actually only grown in Japan and some parts of China. It is grown from the same leaf that is used for all types of teas. So oolong tea, black tea, green tea, they're all grown from the same plant as matcha green tea. The only difference is in the growing cycle. So when black tea is picked, it's grown, dried, and then put into bags and you brew it. Matcha tea, however, in the last few weeks of the growing cycle, they shade the plant, and that shade causes the tea plant to send all kinds of chlorophyll to the leaves, causing them to turn a really dark, vibrant, rich green. And it also sends all kinds of nutrients up to the leaves. So they're kind of like tricking the plant into making it send all the nutrients to the leaves because they're shading it instead of growing it in full sun, which sort of dries it out. So once they get this nice, vibrant, rich green color, then they are picked. And so they're picked when the leaves are green. The leaves are then dried out. And then the Japanese workers hand pick the best and most vibrant dried green leaves. And those are the only ones that are actually used for the ceremonial matcha tea. So you only get the best quality. Then you take those dried leaves and they're hand ground with a stone. So they grind them up into a nice rich powder, which is what you see inside this tin of dried powder tea. So that is how matcha tea is made.